Hey, can you make me a hamburger on your kitchen?
I'll make it after.
Can you make me a hamburger on the back on the grill?
Yes.
Okay, show me how to make a hamburger on the grill.
I'll put it up here.
Yeah, then what do you do?
And this and this.
Oh, and you hit the button? Oh, okay. Oh, it's cooking. Okay. Is it cooking? Alright. Maybe you should wash your hands in the sink. Maybe you should wash your hands in the sink. Okay. Wash your hands. Alright, good boy. What's in the refrigerator over here? What's in the refrigerator? Do you have any food in there?
Yeah.
Oh, Mimo got you this food, didn't she?
And you have family here.
What is that, a pear?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Where'd your coffee maker go? Where's the coffee pot? It's over here. Look, it's over here. Hey, can you cook me something in the microwave?
There.
Can you cook me something in the microwave? Yeah. What can you cook in there?
Fish.
Oh, okay.
Mommy fish.
Alright. Alright. Thank you. Oh, are you cooking on the stove?
Yeah.
Wow, that's going to be pretty cool, isn't it?
My waffle ready.
Are you going to make me some waffles?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Here you go.
Oh, okay. Thank you.